Hi, this is Andy at Infraready. This is one of our static dolls with a little bit of a difference. So on our website we've been selling a doll for a while that's got the static indicators in the eyes and the K2 in the chest. So this is one of our creepy dolls, creepy haunted dolls. So K2 on, EM pump, obviously the K2 will just work as you know it. And then the static, so they're currently showing a negative field. So if we charge up a little bit of tape, so that's from a good distance, then you can see the positive field kick in, and then when we move it away it will drop off to negative again. So sometimes you might turn the doll on, and if there's a positive charge the eyes will be green, and if they're red then it's negative. If it's balanced you'll then see like a flickering red, green, orangey colour. If you can like, subscribe, share, etc. Follow us on our channel. We've just recently passed 1,000 subscribers, so it's a great landmark for us, great achievement. So thanks to you all for your support in the past.